Okay, I think the chimney's gonna come down here. Ready? Oh, we got a bit of a sway. Or not. Oh, okay, timber. Oh my God.
Let's go!
You guys want to come see the best Daddy made?
Right there.
Oh.
Find a new home.
Poor guy. Holy crap, it's bright out here. I'm living in the chimney.